Hello students, let's do some 1 or 2 mark questions from the chapter integration for your board exams. First one is integration of e की power x cos x minus sin x dx. बच्चे, you have a formula e की power x fx plus f dash x dx. If you have to find the integration of this, the answer will be e की power fx, e की power x fx plus c. Now, in this case, if we take fx as cos x, what will be the derivative? F dash x will be minus sin x. Now, our question is e की power x cos x plus minus sin x. We can write it like this. dx. This is fx, this is f dash x. What will be our answer? E की power x cos x plus c. Evaluate 2 minus 3 sin x upon cos square x dx. We have to find the integration of this. If we have the term a minus b by 2, it can be written as a by 2 minus b by 2. In the same way, what we can do, 2 upon cos square x minus 3 sin x upon cos square x dx. Now, we will separate it. 2 is constant, taking outside dx minus 3 as constant, sin x upon cos square x can be written as cos x into cos x dx. What is 1 upon cos square x? 2 sec square x dx minus 3. What is sin x upon cos x? Tan x. And what is 1 upon cos? Sec x dx. Now, what is the integration of sec square x? Tan x minus. What is the integration of tan x into sec x? 3 sec x plus c. This is our answer. Evaluate integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is a definite integral. The limits are given 0 and 1. Now, बच्चे, what is the integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx? Integration is tan inverse x. Limits are given 0 and 1. Now, tan inverse in case of x, what will be right? 1 minus tan inverse lower limit 0. What is tan inverse 1? Tan inverse tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1 minus tan inverse tan 0. What is tan 0? 0. What is tan inverse tan theta? Theta. Tan inverse tan pi by 4 is pi by 4 minus tan inverse tan 0 is 0. Therefore, our answer is pi by 4. Find cos inverse sin x dx. Now, check. Sin x can be written as cos pi by 2 minus x. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. In place of sin x, what we can write? Cos inverse cos pi by 2 minus x dx. And what is cos inverse cos theta? Is theta. Cos inverse cos pi by 2 minus x can be written as pi by 2 minus x dx. Now, what will we do? We will separate it. Pi by 2 dx minus x dx. Pi by 2 is constant, taking outside dx, we can write it as 1 dx minus integration of x dx. What is the integration of 1? X minus integration of x. X की power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus c. That is pi by 2x minus x square by 2 plus c. This is our answer. Find sin square x minus cos square x upon sin square x cos square x dx. Integration of this we have to find. Now, what will we do? Sin square x upon sin square x cos square x dx minus we have separated the numerator cos square x upon sin square x cos square x dx. Now sin square x and sin square x get cancelled, cos square x and cos square x cancelled. What is 1 upon cos square x? Sec square x dx minus what is 1 upon sin square x? Cos sec square x dx. What is the integration of sec square x? 10x minus what is the integration of cos sec square x? Minus cot x plus c. 10x minus and minus plus cot x plus c. This is our answer. If x minus 1 upon x square ex integration dx is fx into e की power x plus c, find fx. Now बच्चे we have x minus 1 upon x square. If we separate the numerator, what will we get? X upon x square minus 1 upon x square ex dx. X upon x square, x and x cancel, what is left? 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square ex dx. Now बच्चे if we take 1 upon x as fx, fx is 1 upon x, we can write it as x की power minus 1. What will be f dash x? Minus 1 x की power minus 1, that is minus 1 upon x square. This is fx and this is f dash x, and our answer will be e की power x fx, that is 1 upon x plus c. On equating it with this, what will be the value of fx? 1 by x, and this is our answer. Integration of e की power x 1 plus x upon cos square x e की power x dx. What will we do? We will take x e की power x as t. Differentiate with respect to t. What we will do? How we will find differentiation? By using product formula. First, d upon dt of x into e की power x as it is plus x as it is into d upon dt of e की power x equals to d upon dt of t. What is the derivative of x? 1 into dx upon dt into e की power x plus x into derivative of e की power x is e की power x into dx by dt equals to what is the derivative of t? 1. Because we are differentiating it with respect to t, we can write dt by dt, which is 1. Therefore, we write only 1. Now, e की power x dx by dt, common, what is left? 1 plus x equals to 1. Now, we have e की power x 1 plus x dx. E की power x 1 plus x dx on the left hand side and take dt on the right hand side. In place of e की power x 1 plus x into dx, what will we write? dt upon cos square. What is x e की power x? T. What is 1 upon cos square t? Sec square t dt. And what is the integration of sec square t? Tan t plus c. What is t? In place of t, what we will write? X e की power x plus c. And this is our answer. Integration of dx upon e की power x plus e की power minus x. How can we write it? Dx upon e की power x plus 1 upon e की power x. E की power minus x can be written as 1 upon e की power x. Dx upon LCM e की power x. E की power x into e की power x plus 1. What can we write? D की power x upon e की power x plus x 2x plus 1 and e की power x on the in the numerator dx. Now what we will do? We will take e की power x as t. Differentiate with respect to t. D upon dt of e की power x equals to d upon dt of t. What is derivative of e की power x? E की power x into dx by dt. Derivative of t is 1 into dt by dt is also 1. Therefore, we will write only 1. Ex dx equals to dt. In place of ex dx, what will we write? dt upon e की power 2x. E की power x is t. Where it is t square plus 1. What is integration of 1 upon t square plus 1? Tan inverse t plus c. What is t? E की power x plus c. This is our answer. Evaluate integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha dx. Now बच्चे, what is cos 2x? Cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. In place of cos 2x, what we can write? 2 cos square x minus 1 minus. In place of cos 2 alpha, what we can write? 2 cos square alpha minus 1. But we have minus here, therefore we will put plus 1 upon cos x minus cos alpha dx. 1 and 1 get cancelled. 2 is common, taking it outside. What is left? Cos square x minus cos square alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha dx. Now बच्चे, what is a square minus b square? A plus b, a minus b. We can write cos x plus cos alpha into cos x minus cos alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha. Both get cancelled. Now we have to find differentiation of cos x plus cos alpha dx. Now 2 into cos x dx plus 2 into integration of cos alpha. We have dx. Variable that we are taking is x. Therefore, cos alpha in this case will be our constant. And we can write 1 with dx. Or leave it like this. 2 into what is integration of cos x? Sin x. Plus 2 cos alpha into integration of 1 dx is x plus c. We can write answer as 2 sin x plus 2x cos alpha plus c. This is our answer. Find integration of sec square x upon cos x square x dx. Now बच्चे, what is sec square x? Sec is reciprocal of cos. In place of sec square x, we can write 1 upon cos square x. On what is cosec? Reciprocal of sine. We can write 1 upon sine square x dx. A upon b upon c upon d can be written as a upon b into reciprocal of denominator b upon c. 1 upon cos square x into sine square x upon 1 dx. What is sine square x upon cos square x? Tan square x dx. What is the integration of tan square x? We don't know the integration of tan square x. But we have a formula 1 plus tan square x equals to sec square x. And tan square x can be written as sec square x minus 1. In place of tan square x, what we can write? Sec square x minus 1 dx. What is the integration of sec square x? Tan x minus integration of 1 x plus c. This is our answer.